mong maipit sa mga nag-uumpugan ng malalaking patong yan. Sinong personality are you trying to imply on your text?
Director Rosalyn po.
Kasi simple lang naman yung tinatanong ko kung sino yung mga, ano to, malalaking tao ba ng mga Chinese? O malalaking tao ng mga Pilipino? Mga politician ba ang sinasabi mong ayaw mo ma-involve sa away ng malalaking tao? Ano nag-recruit sa'yo sa Lucky South 99?
I refuse to testify po.
So, session.
This is your last warning.
Please,
You are coaching your
yeah,
client.
please stop whispering, no? Please stop. And Cassie, I have to remind you as well, I have to remind you as well that this involves human trafficking. No bail yan. No bail. Sana tulungan mo gobyerno. Kasi sabi mo, Pilipina ka. Diba? And I will be submitting all the documentary evidences in a while because you don't want to, you don't want to answer eh. Tayo lang. It's about, Cassie, ganito ka simple. Cassie, listen, please. Stop whispering to her. Stop. Pabayaan natin siya mag-isip ng sarili niya. Malaki na si Cassie. She knows what to answer. And we will be helping you. Remember, when I told you, over the phone, we will help you. Just cooperate. Be truthful. Be honest. You are a Pilipina. Di ba? Maaring hindi ikaw ay kasalanan. Katulad ng tinext mo sa akin. Ayaw mong maipit sa mga nag-uumpugan ng malalaking patong yan. You tell us. Samahan mo kami. Tandaan mo lahat ng mga tao nakapaligid sa'yo. Meron mga sariling interes yan. You think about yourself. You think about your own interest. Yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo, may sariling interes. We want to help you. Honestly, when you texted me, na sinabi mo sa akin na may nag-uumpugang malaking pato, I really don't want to answer back. You know why? I want you to reveal that in here. But if you cannot reveal it right away, you talk to us. Tayo-tayo lang. Lalabas tayo dito. Pumunta tayo sa likod. Pag-usapan natin. Pero tumulong ka sa amin. Tumulong ka sa bayan. Nakita mo yung mga taong namatay. Di ba? So you can save yourself. Please. Please. Kapag bayaan mo ganito, sagot ka ng sagot na ganyan, ikaw matitiyan dito. This can be used against you. I'm telling you. You're not answering rightly. Oh. Yeah. Tulungan mo sarili mo. If you want to avail an executive session without anybody behind you or surrounds you, tayo lang. Kami lang. You want? Sige. But again, we will be warning you. The Filipino people are watching right now. And your answer to them is not acceptable. Maraming namatay. Maraming buhay na wala ng trabaho. You can still save yourself. If you are about to think it over yourself, ikaw lang. Huwag ka nang magsama ng mga tao sa paligid mo. I'm telling you, their own interest is their priority, not yours. Mr. Chair, the resource speaker is asking for a time for herself. And I think when she said that, it's incumbent upon everybody to respect that. So, let her think by herself. Huwag na nating isama itong mga nakapalibot dito. Nakukonfuse yung bata eh. She's still so young. 24 years old.
As of now, I have 87 cases po.
Pinail ng NBI, ng PAOK, saka ng AMLAC yung case, no? Magsabi ka na kasi ng totoo sa amin. Kasi yun lang kami makakatulong sa'yo. Natatakot ka ba sa mga tao na kapaligot sa'yo? Hindi ka natatakot? Hindi ka natatakot makulong?
Harapin ka ng boss.
Ha?
Mr. Chair.
Ano na?
If ever po there's a case against...
Haharapin mo na lang yung kaso.
Opo.
So in other words, you don't want to be protected by being cooperative to this committee, and you will face the music with the court. Is that what you're trying to say? Ay, ibig sabihin na mas gugusto mo pang harapin talaga yung kaso mo sa korte kaysa bigyan ka namin ng pagkakataon na maging parte ng aming pinaglalaban dito sa quad committee ito, na mag-cooperate ka sa aming investigasyon. So, in other words, you will not be you will not be cooperating anymore by naming names. Yun lang naman hinihingi namin sa'yo kasi mga pangalan
Wala po ako may bibigay na pangalan, Mr. Chair.
Kasi, basahin mo mabuti to. We are helping you. Huwag kang maniwala sa mga lawyer mo. Daily lamang ang gusto ng mga yan. And I mean, let's face it. They want to prolong your cases. Why? Of course. We know that. Kaya, si Atty. Topacio, alam mo yan, si Atty. Topacio, ayun, ang daming banat kay Congressman Abante. Ang daming banat kay Jinky Luistro. Ang daming banat sa akin lingkod. So, it's our time to get even. No? Alam mo, pahabain niya ang kaso para at least makuha lahat ng pera mo.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Congressman Fernandez.